Hello. Today we are going to learn Guardland. This one. So let's start. And what things from which things material we can use. We will see. See, I had made this from the plastic of this carry bag of oil. You can take milk plastic also. We can do from kite paper. We get beautiful colors in kite paper, but I have white. This is a cloth of the bag, this shopping bag. This is cotton bag. So I had cut one strip from this. You can use the birthday with decoration material. This is crepe wall. So you can use this also. This gift wrapping also you can use to make the garland. So let's start. So first we will see how we are going to make it. See, then take the strips. You have to cut the strips according to whatever size you want. Okay, so 1 inch, 2 centimeter, 1 centimeter. You have to mark it with the sketch pen and cut it. I had already taken this. See, you can take from the milk plastic also. Same way you have to measure it and then cut it. So I will show you with the. See, just take a needle and thread and just you have to swing like this. See, in the center, see that you don't have to move here and there, just take a center. Just you have to add the strips whenever you finished it. You just have to add it. When you go, see this, just twist it first like this and go inside. See. Just twist it. See, one more time I will show you. See the technique. The technique is very important. Just see what I am doing. See, just weaving, just going, running. This is from the carry bag. I will show paper also. Okay, same way you have to cut the strips. How much thickness you want, and then same way you are going to. Whatever you want to use, you can use. Just I'm going to show you how you can use the different material for this activity. See, same way nothing change. The technique is not changed. You have to just go swing. Okay, once you swing it, see, make a twist here. See, you turn around this all the paper like this, and then insert inside. Okay, this way you can make from the kite paper. You can go for the color thing also. So I will show about this. See, same way you're going to go. Same way, nothing is changed the packet. And I'm now, and the second one I had used kite paper. Now this is the decoration material which we use flowers. See, this way. Now I will show you with the cloth also. See, with the cloth also I will show you. It's very easy. Just take whatever size you want to with the cloth. It's also easy. Same way we are going to do. And what is the advantage of cloth? That you can wash it nicely. Okay, with the crepe paper and with the kite paper you cannot wash. Yes, you can wash the plastic one. That is also easy to wash. So you can use that. In plastic you can use any type of plastic. So that is also good for the long term. See, this way you get it. Okay, once you get it, just pull it, then you will get the proper shape. And same thing what we had done. See, after getting inside this, see that you are twist. So this way you're going to twist it. See, so children, see this. I will show you in this only. I will put one strip of golden. This is a gift wrapping paper. I will show you the. See, just you have to do the same way. Nothing change. See, same way I'm doing it. Just weaving it. You can swing it. Just twist it. See, twist it. See, so you had learned from different material, different material. So you can decorate your house with this, with different colors, and enjoy your craft. If you like it, please subscribe it, share it, and please press the bell icon to get the updates. See you till then. Take care.